In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Content Controls feature in a Microsoft Word document for a Windows computer. Content controls are useful when you want to create forms, templates, checklists, or documents where specific areas can be filled in by other users. Microsoft Word provides several types of content controls, including text fields, checkboxes, drop-down lists, date pickers, and picture controls. First, launch Microsoft Word and open the document where you want to add content controls. If you do not see the Developer tab on the ribbon, you will need to enable it. To do this, go to the File tab and select Options. In the Word Options window, select Customize Ribbon. On the right side, look for the Developer option and check the box next to it. Then click OK. The Developer tab will now appear on the Word ribbon. Click the Developer tab to access the available content control tools. In the Controls section, you will find several different content control options. These can include a text control, checkbox control, combo box control, date picker, picture control, and rich text control. To add a content control, first choose the type of control you want to use. Then click in the area of your document where you want the control to appear. Once it has been inserted, you can resize or move the control as needed. The checkbox control allows users to select or deselect a box. This can be useful for yes or no questions, tasks, or checklist items. The combo box control provides a drop-down list with predefined choices. Users can select an option from the available list, making it useful when a field has a limited number of possible answers. The date picker control allows users to select a date from a calendar. This can be useful when creating forms or documents that require specific dates. The picture control allows users to insert an image into the document. This can be useful for forms that require a photo or signature. The rich text control allows users to enter formatted text, including different fonts, styles, and colors. This is useful when users need to provide detailed descriptions or explanations. After inserting your content controls, you can also protect the document so that editing is limited to the content controls. To do this, go to the Developer tab and click Restrict Editing. Then choose the option to allow only a specific type of editing in the document. From the drop-down menu, select Filling in Forms. Your document can now be used as a form where users can enter information through the content controls, while other parts of the document remain restricted. And that's how you can use the Content Controls feature in Microsoft Word on a Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,